In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money without a website where you could potentially be making 50 to 100 plus days. And we're starting right now. What's going on, stackers? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily start making money without a website where you can potentially be making 50 to 100 plus days. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how to make money with nothing more than an internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, when selling online, people like to think you have to pay for a website, you have to do this, you have to do that. Well, people just like to overcomplicate stuff. Now, what's this way that I'm going to show you how to make money without a website? Well, that's selling your own courses. Now, stay with me because I know you're probably thinking, oh, well, I can't do that. I'm going to leave this video. Goodbye. Well, stay tuned because this is a lot simpler than you think. There's multiple platforms out there which you can use to host your own courses. Now, one of them is called StackinProfit. Now, with these two platforms, these first two I'm going to show you, you do need to know how to send your own traffic because there's not traffic built into these platforms, but they're still a good place to host your courses. So this one is called StackinProfit. The next one you've more than likely heard of because most people use them, and that is Teachable, another great way to sell your course. Now, if you're no good at sending traffic and you have no idea about that, then use these other two platforms. The first one is called Udemy. Udemy, I'm not sure how you say that, but nonetheless, this would be a great place to create a course and host it. Now, I always say there's two best ways to make money online. #1, build an audience, build a following, then find products to match your audience. #2, go to where there's already traffic. Now, with Udemy, so many people come here every day to learn stuff and take courses. So there's a lot of traffic already built in. Same with this one, Skillshare. They have a lot of traffic. There's so many different types of courses on here that you can go through and take, and all that traffic is built into the platform. Now, you're probably thinking, that's great, I can't create a course, I have no idea what to create a course around. Well, my best bet is that you have some knowledge in your head that someone will be willing to pay you for. Everybody does. Whether that's something to do with gaming, healthy eating, internet marketing, anything, you have information in your head that you could package up all nicely and sell as a course. Because if we go to here, categories, you can go through all the different categories and see all these different courses. You have some in lifestyle. So you have pet training, home improvement. So if you know stuff about home improvement, whether that's gardening, electricity, feng shui, lighting design, farming. Then we got gaming, so you could do poker, Twitch. See, if you're a gamer and you know a lot about gaming and you're on Twitch, you could build a course around that. So all you have to do is sit down for a good hour or two, write down all the skills and everything you know onto a piece of paper and work out what you could create that course around. Because I know for a fact that everyone has information that someone else will pay them for. Me personally, I know how to make passive income with Amazon selling low content books. I know how to do niche research. I know how to create the covers. I know how to create the interiors. I know how to do Amazon keyword research so my books can get seen and people will buy them, as we can see from my Kindle stats just here, or my KDP stats just here. So that's one thing I know how to do. So I've packaged it up, I've making a course around this, and I'm going to sell that. Now, if you're interested in making passive income with Amazon and creating these low content books, then there's going to be a link for Stackers Inner Circle down in the description. If you go through and join the Stackers Inner Circle, when I release this course, you will get a huge discount. So if you're interested in making passive income, come through and join us. So how do you actually create these courses? Well, if you're doing videos like this, a video or a screen sharing, it's really simple. All you need is some screen recording software. Now, you could use one like this, which is ScreenFlow, or you could even use Screencast-O-Matic. This is one of my favorites. I think it's around $15 a year, so it's not even that much. But as soon as you've got this, you can then start recording your videos. First, you would have to outline your course, structure it, which isn't really that hard to do if you have, or if you actually know what you're teaching. Because if you know what you're teaching, you're going to know how to structure it, and it makes everything so much easier. So what I want you to do, get a notepad or notepad on your computer, start writing down all the skills or everything that you know. Then see if you could create a course around it. Creating a course could be the best thing you do this year. Create the course, put it up onto Udemy if you don't know how to send traffic. If you know how to send traffic, then use one of the other platforms, because then you can charge a higher price. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.